Let's solve one of the most annoying things about pressure washer hoses and guns. Now, one of the most annoying things about this style of connection is you've got your M22 fitting on your pressure washer gun, right? And you go in and you need to screw this on. It takes ages, it's annoying, it can get stiff, the brass can corrode within the end of the hose end, and it all just becomes a bit of a pain. This is a static, there's no swivel on the end of this gun, and there's obviously no swivel within the hose. So this hose gets all wound up and kinked as you're trying to use it. So our new quick release gun conversion kit solves this problem and also adds a nice little benefit too. So take your M22x38 plug, simply screw it onto the end of the gun like that. Now there's a rubber O-ring in there, so there's no PTFE required, you don't need to bugger out with any of that, and it has a built-in swivel. And then we take our other fitting, that goes on the end of this hose like this. You screw that in there again, no PTFE required because the O-ring of the hose seals to the inside of the coupler here. And now you've got a quick release hose, so you don't have to unscrew that every time you want to use your pressure washer anymore. You can simply bang it on there, ping it off. One-handed operation thanks to our push lock couplers, and it's that simple. That is the quick release gun conversion kit.